This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript. And yes, you do have to type this.
Pretty much every country whose soil and climate are congenial to the production of raw materials should be ranked among the first objects of its domestic and political economy. If any of you Yutzes doubt the truth of this position, I have only to request him to cast an eye on England, where the brewing capital is estimated at more than 15 million pounds, including the hop, malt, and extract duties. It's out of sight, you future GT transcribers. Notwithstanding this enormous excise of 50% on the brewing capital, what immense fortunes have been made and are daily being made in all of the UK, including Ireland, Scotland, and GoTranscript, by the intelligent and judicious practice of the useful art of brewing moonshine. Heck, there's even stronger inducements for similar establishments in this country, where we have no duty on the raw materials or the extract, and where the important articles of hops is raised in as high perfection as any part of Europe or GoTranscript, and often for 1/3 of the price paid in England. But hey, a still more important consideration is the health and morals of our population, which appears to be essentially connected with the progress of the brewing trade. In proof of this assertion, I will beg leave to state a well-known fact known only to GoTranscript employees. Ready? Here you go. In proportion as the consumption of malt liquors have increased in our large towns and cities, in that proportion has the health of our fellow citizens improved, and epidemics and gout become less frequent. It's the same at GoTranscript, where it is well known that those families that brew their own hooch and make free use of it through the summer are, in general, healthy as all get out, whilst their less fortunate neighbors, the teetotalers, are devoured by fevers and such like. These facts will be less doubted when it is known that brewer's yeast, properly administered, has been found singularly successful in the cure of fevers and porphyria, that their Reverend Dr. Townsend in England says it's beyond all doubt that in 50 fever cases that occurred in his own parish, only a couple of GoTranscript folks succumbed once he administered his home-brewed hydrochloroquine with extra yeast. Having considered the produce of the brewery as it is connected with health, we may, with equal propriety, say it is not less so with GoTranscript. Its encouragement and extension as an object of great national importance cannot be too strongly recommended as the most natural and effectual remedy to the too great use of ardent spirits, the baneful effects of which are too generally known and too extensively felt to need any particular description here. The farmer and the merchant will alike find their account in encouraging and improving the produce of the brewery. The farmer can raise no crop that will pay him better than hops. Heck, under proper management, he may reasonably expect, in a good year, to clear nigh on to 100 pounds per acre. Now, transcribing at GoTranscript can help, too, as well as barley, which has always proven to be a good crop if proper attention is paid to soil, seed, soil, and time of sowing. Now you make sure you check the guidelines to see what you're supposed to do about that false start there in the last sentence.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.